So this is an upscale neighborhood. How does this compare to New York?
Well,
Google does not work well here. What's up with it? So we are at the new Bazaar. We're gonna show the aunt the new Bazaar. We're gonna walk through it. We're gonna see if we get a coffee and whatnot, and we're gonna see what she thinks of the new Bazaar. It's an interesting part of the city. I like it. It's really chill. A lot of cafes everywhere, restaurants everywhere. I think if you were coming to Tirana for like a really short amount of time and you want a central location, the new Bazaar is probably one of the better spots you could put yourself. I mean, you're really close to the center. You're close to, not too far from the park. And there's like a lot of shit around here, food, coffee. So, you know, we're gonna peep it and we're gonna see what you think also. This is every olive you would ever need in your life. Almonds, nuts, every kind of nuts, dates. I mean, anything you would ever need. Pumpkins, squashes, every kind of a conceivable grape or berry or nut. You know, honeys. I mean, this is hard to beat. Handcrafts for the tourists. This is you got all different produce suppliers, like dried fruits, dried cranberries, dates, raisins, you name it. More honey. You know, it's just everything you would need. Toys for the youths, toys for the youngins, toys for the children's, honey, and I'm fucking with some honey. Maybe I will be getting some, we'll see. A couple different types of berries. I mean, you got it all, man. This is crazy. You know, I'm gonna go on my little honey hunt in a minute. 2,000, 1,000. It's got his prices. Okay. Remote controls. Yeah. That's awesome. All right. That girl's selling remote controls. I guess a lot of people will be fucking losing their remote. Spices. Nah. Yeah, spices. Spices, garlic. Gotta have the garlic. Ooh, the black stuff. Wow, bro. That's crazy. Oh, man, they've got everything. Everything you could have. Pistachios, what? Some warm clothes. Warm clothes, garlic. I'll be putting my garlic in my warm clothes. Let's see what else. Let's see what else. Let's peep. Let's peep. Okay, all your smoking attires, your pipes and whatnot.
Tobacco.
Yeah, tobacco.
You smoke?
No, brother.
Where are you from?
New York.
Very good.
Thank you, brother. I have a YouTube channel.
Ah, okay.
Thanks, brother. Honey. How much is the honey?
Bro?
Yeah, how much?
How much?
Yeah.
Take how much?
1,000? Okay, so let's see. He's saying 1,000. He's saying 1,000. We'll see how this goes. All right, so I bought this thing for 15 bucks. This is a lot of fucking honey. Maybe Albanian people can tell me if he ripped me off or he didn't, and how much I'm supposed to actually pay for something this size, but this thing's got the fucking comb in it. And I wanted to just to, you know, grab one, see what the man says, just get a baseline for what they're charging, and then we'll figure out exactly what I'm supposed to pay if I come back here. But for 15 bucks, man, this is a fucking lot of honey. Holy shit. Anyways, I wanted to try something at least while we were here, since fucking I haven't bought honey in a minute, man. And, yo, your boy be pounding the fucking green teas. And honestly, the store honey, it's like fucking, it's okay, but it's like you actually do pay a bit. Like you get very fucking little for like between like $5 and like $7. And but I'm sure if you go to the bigger like places like the Tech or the Interspar, you could probably get store honey cheaper. But you know, this for me, that was pretty okay deal. For Albanian people, they're probably gonna laugh at me. They're probably gonna be like, oh, he charged you $5 more. Maybe he did, I don't know. But pretty satisfied just for walking in and fucking grabbing me some honey. But anyway, this is what I wanted to show you. This is the new Bazaar, guys. So it's kind of something they did where they remade it. It's a bit touristy, so you're gonna pay more than you would if you were going to like a real market, but you know, it's still all good. Oh man, he's got the knives, the wallets, the knives. Look, he's got the military helmets from the communist period. So you could get yourself communist helmets. That's crazy. Look at that, man. Gas masks. Those are all the Soviet Union stuff, like flasks from, I guess this must be from the military, from the communist period. Wow. And see, if you were a tourist, man, where else do you need to go? This is like everything you would need in the new Bazaar, man. You could buy yourself a hat from the communist period. Hey, brother. It's pretty amazing. I mean, it's like a one-stop shop. Like if you're coming to Tirana and you need to find like fucking shit for your family back home, or you want to take your family that's visiting like I am right now, you know, I don't know, man. Like hard to beat this, you know. For living, I like where we live a little bit better. It's quieter. It's a little bit less hectic. Where we're living is a whole kind of different buzz. But for chilling or for taking a family member around, this is a cool spot. All right, so it's funny because I've got now enough honey to last me for the rest of my life, and I got out of the house a bit today, and it's been good. I would say overall this week's been a little bit hectic, driving all over Albania, but I gotta say in a very short amount of time, I've seen a lot of shit that I've never imagined I would see. Just, you know, everything is so affordable, guys. Like, you know, as long as you're not eating at like fancy restaurants all the time, like you can have really good quality food. You can get really good quality produce. Like when we cook at home, man, I'm making like some bomb shit at home every day, and it costs me so much less than restaurants, and I can control what goes into it. And like, even though this is a bit of a touristy market, it's still, there's a lot of real ones too, where the prices are even cheaper. But I got family in town, so I figured, fuck it, this will be fun. But still, it is, you know, like you can really eat well, you can have cheap housing, and this place is so beautiful. By the time you guys see this video, you'll have seen the other videos, and you'll understand what I mean. Honey and raki, lifeblood, dried fruit, honey and raki. How can you go wrong? I might want to come over here and get some fucking nuts after. You know, I'd be happy.
Dried cranberries.
It's got you. For a kilo? Oh, I'm getting some of those. Where did you see them?
Hey guys, what's going on? So we got 2 coffees and a Prosecco in the new Bazaar. What did you think of the price?
The price was great. For 2 cappuccinos and a Prosecco, it came to US dollars about $4.50. My Prosecco was very good. It cost $2 and I am very impressed with the prices and the quality here.
So this is an upscale neighborhood, upscale place. How does this compare to New York?
Well, I noticed that you could get a glass of Chevitz for $4 here, and in New York, that would probably cost you anywhere from $13 to $17.
Wow, that's crazy.
What do you think of when you think of Albania? I think of opportunity. I think of a country that's open. I think of a country that wants long-stay expats, that wants people to come and invest, wants new ideas, and is looking towards the West. I think that Albania is a beautiful country with incredible landscapes that can offer a very comfortable lifestyle at a very reasonable price. We will help navigate your journey to becoming an expat in Albania. We're working with some of the top lawyers. We can help establish businesses. We can help you get your residency. We can help you get real estate. We can arrange almost any contact that you might need for the process of moving here in almost any city in the country. We will simplify the process. We'll make it a lot easier for you to move to a country that maybe in the past would have been more of a challenge. With our help, it's going to be a walk in the park.
Brush your face and wash your teeth, son.
Hey, what's up? I'm D from Canada. Hook up with the New York Nomad if you want a smooth ride into Vietnam or any Southeast Asian countries.
Hey, my name is Aaron. Get in contact with the New York Nomads. If you want to get into Vietnam, hit them up. They'll get you in securely and professionally.
Yo, this is Uncle Hollywood. I'm telling you right now, the New York Nomad got me a job. He's legit. Hit him up. Check him out.
New York Nomad set me up in Vietnam.
Yo, my man got me a job. Come to Vietnam.
Hey, what's up, guys? You thinking about coming to Vietnam? You're not sure where to start. You've heard a lot of things online. You don't know what's true. You don't know what's not. We offer a consulting service where we help you get on your feet in Vietnam. We give you advice on negotiating contracts with employers. We help you with real estate agents, visa agents that are reliable and that you can trust. And we help you get started in this amazing country and get on your feet. We help you get into different opportunities that might be more difficult for you if you were just landing in the country on your own. And we help you avoid a lot of the pitfalls and problems that you could have as a newcomer here. We provide you with reliable job recruiters, visa agents, real estate agents, and advice. If you guys are thinking about coming to Vietnam, hit us up for a consultation. We'll help you get started, help you get on your feet, and hopefully you'll love Vietnam as much as we do.